Today, we will be judging the strangest of strange sounds. That made sense.
It will be a competition on who can make the strangest noise. We have a rating board right here.
Yes, you can't see all the numbers really.
It's pretty big, and this is how you choose it. You pick you get the I choose thing, and you just point to the one you choose.
And we will have to describe the noises with the most realistic way we can do it, or something.
And whoever gets the worst score gets pelted with chocolates.
Yes, and we have to be honest. We can't just say that noise sucked.
Yeah, that wouldn't be fair.
Prepare to be pelted.
I give it a 8 because of cheese.
For me, I think it deserves maybe
It's upside down.
Maybe it's upside down. I'm sorry. It's up. I choose 6. I think. Yes, I choose 6 because the noise that he did, it told a story. But a story I would read but not see the movie of.
I give this a 7 because it was good, but the problem was it wasn't really weird. It was a nice sound, but it wasn't really weird because there was no cheese involved.
That's what she said.
I think it is a 9 because even though it was not noise, it was the weirdest thing besides the thing I'm pointing to that exists on the earth. That's what she said!
Because of the little money we have left,
let's watch the Are you tired of bland, tasteless food? If so, eat goldfish baked. Embark on a journey where you soar across a sea of your own taste buds and let the cheesy powder goodness stuff dissolve all the negative taste buds or something. Eat it. I don't care.
call 919-999-9999 cheese to get your own cheese fish.
I choose. Oh, I mean this. You can't see it. I'm sorry. I choose. 7 because it consisted of the same word over and over again, and also its flavor. That was nothing.
Yes! Beautiful! Beautiful! The most amazing sound I have ever heard in my whole life. Perfect 10. Beautiful.
Because he said the word cheese.
So the results have come in. I had a very high score of 9.
And my high score was 10. Y'all.
So I'm going to get pelted by chocolate.
Yes, the spice of life.
was that.
Cheese.
And bye, guys.
Cheese. Cheese.
Die, cheese fish, die!
That's what cheese said.
Mm-hmm.
Cheese fish.
If you want to see Joe get pelted with bricks,
If you do, I will steal your chicken.
please subscribe. This video was made by Milo Davis.
And Joe Clooney.
Bye!